Welcome back. We got to this point in the previous video. So far, we have solved the first and second part of the question. That is, the selling price per kilogram she used for the first sale and the selling price per kilogram she used for the second sale, or the new selling price per kilogram. In this video, we are going to find the profit and profit percent she made from the whole transaction. As we have already seen, the woman sold the tomatoes in two parts, the first part and the second part. So for the whole transaction, her total profit is equal to profit from the first sale, or profit from the first part, plus profit from the second sale, or profit from the second part. So her total profit will be profit from the first sale plus profit from the second sale. Now let's find the profit from the first sale. Remember that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit from the first sale. From the first sale, we have been able to find out in the previous video that the cost price is equal to 260 Ghana cedis. So for the first part of tomato that she sold, the cost price was 260 Ghana cedis. And the selling price, we found out that is 338 Ghana cedis. So for the 65 kilograms of tomato that she sold, the selling price was 338 Ghana cedis. This is for the first sale. We have the cost price, we have the selling price, so you can find the profit. So the profit from the first sale is equal to 338 Ghana cedis minus 260 Ghana cedis. And this will give us 78 Ghana cedis. So from the first sale, she made a profit of 78 Ghana cedis. Now let's find the profit from the second sale. Once again, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Because the woman divided the tomatoes into two parts, if the cost price for the first part is 260 Ghana cedis, it means that the cost price for the second part will also be 260 Ghana cedis. Now, selling price for the second sale. In the previous video, we found out that the selling price per kilogram for the second sale was 4 Ghana cedis 58 pesos. Selling price per kilogram. Remember, this is the selling price for 1 kilogram. We want to find the selling price for all the tomatoes that she sold. But we should remember that for the second sale, she threw away 5 kilograms of the bad tomatoes. That means that for the second sale, she sold only 60 kilograms. So during the second sale, she sold only 60 kilograms. We have the selling price per kilogram. This means that 1 kilogram of tomatoes was sold at 4.58 Ghana cedis, or 4 Ghana cedis 58 pesos. And she sold 60 kilograms. So if 1 kilogram was sold at 4 Ghana cedis 58 pesos, then the 60 kilograms was sold at 60 times 4 Ghana cedis 58 pesos. And this will give us 274 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. It means that during the second sale, she sold only 60 kilograms of tomatoes, and the selling price for that 60 kilograms of tomatoes will be equal to 60 kilograms times the selling price per kilogram, which is 4 Ghana cedis 58 pesos, and that will give us 274 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. So for the second sale, the cost price is 260 Ghana cedis, and the selling price is 274 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. So we have the cost price for the second sale, 260 Ghana cedis. The selling price is 274 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So for the second sale, the profit is equal to the selling price, which is 274 Ghana cedis 80 pesos, minus the cost price, which is 260 Ghana cedis. And this will give us 14 Ghana cedis 80 pesos. So now we have found the profit from the first sale. We got 78 Ghana cedis. We have found the profit from the second sale. we got 14 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. So the total profit is equal to profit from the first sale plus profit from the second sale. This will give us 78 Ghana cedis plus 14 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. And this will give us 92 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. So the total profit she made from the whole transaction was 92 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. Now we want to find the profit percent. For the whole 130 kilograms of tomatoes, the cost price was 520 Ghana cedis. The profit she made from the whole transaction was 92 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. We know that profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price times 100. So this is going to give us the profit, which is 92 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos, divided by the cost price, which is 520 Ghana cedis, times 100. And this will give us 17.8%. So the woman made a profit of 17.8% after selling all the tomatoes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to consider another application of percentages known as interest. So in the next video, we will learn more about interest and how to solve practical problems involving interest. Bye-bye.